Welcome to the Checkup Guide. Today I will show you how to improve store navigation using Sidekick. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First click on Sidekick. Then we can ask then click on enter. So it is processing. So it will give steps like making menu simple. So now let's apply this. First we can go to the content, then click on menus, then click on main menu. Here we can change the catalog to shop. Shop is easier to understand for customer. Then click enter. Now we can add menu item. We can add about us. Now then click on enter and click save. Click on save. Here we can click policy. Click on save. Then it has been updated. Now we can go back to the footer menu. Here we can add the items like FAQ. Here click on link and save. So click on save. That's it. Now we can go to the online store. Then click on edit theme. Here we can check if the menu is at top. Here we can see the main menu. Then we can check the cart is at right side and the footer is on bottom. So now here we can check the mobile view and test your menu by clicking all. Now we can just click all menus to check if it is working properly within 2 to 3 clicks. Okay, it is good. So easy navigation help customer find product faster and increase your sales. So this is how you can improve your store navigation using Sidekick. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.